Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making coconut rice. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get cooking. I'll start by grating coconut just to make it easier for my blender. This is fine. Now blend it with warm water. Then sieve it to extract the coconut milk. Okay, now add vegetable oil to the pot. And saute an already marinated chicken. This is fine, so I'll set it aside. And also fry the shrimps for a minute until it turns light pink in color. And set it aside too. Onion, ginger, and garlic, and fry it for a minute. Now add thyme, curry, and stir it for 15 seconds. Now add the washed rice and fry it for a minute, just for it to absorb the flavor already built up. Nice. So now add the coconut milk. And also add stock. The amount of stock or water depends on the type of rice and how fast it gets cooked. Now add pepper, seasoning cube, salt. Now stir it properly. Then taste it to see if it's well spiced. This is fine. So now I'll cover it and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is soft and well cooked. Time to add the already fried shrimps and mixed vegetable. Then mix it properly and let it simmer for about 30 to 45 seconds. And we're done. Here is our coconut rice. Thank you for watching and do have a fabulous day. Bye.